Despite being Croatia's capital, Zagreb is sometimes ignored as a destination by tourists to the country, which is a shame because it has a lot to offer. Sure, it doesn't have the Adriatic Sea and beaches, but it has many fine sights, a lot of restaurants, cafes and bars, a multitude of entertainment and regular events, a massive selection of accommodation with something to suit all budgets, some decent shopping, and is very easy to reach from elsewhere in Europe. Prague and Budapest, two other famous Central European towns, now have a formidable competition. The city is unquestionably an excellent choice for a weekend getaway in Croatia. Spacious pedestrian zones with many outdoor cafes, with garden and street terraces dispersed around the city, add the charm to Zagreb's attractiveness. The majority of cultural and other institutions are concentrated in the city center, on a relatively compact area where everything is within walking distance. Many foreigners who live in Zagreb, as well as business professionals and visitors, describe the city in a single sentence: it is a huge metropolis that has managed to remain romantic and secure. There are numerous opportunities to attend music and theater events, art exhibitions, museum, athletic events, and enjoy nice walks, unique architecture, several parks in the city center, pedestrian zones, and the atmosphere. Zagreb is a city that hosts international fairs, conferences, and business meetings. There are about 6,000 hotel beds, some of which belong to world-famous hotel brands. There is also an increase in the number of small and family-owned hotels and hostels. They all exhibit the same degree of professionalism and friendliness. The city is divided into three areas: the 1,000-year-old Gornji Grad, Upper Town, which contains the presidential palace, the iconic St. Mark Church, the Croatian Parliament Sabor, and museums and galleries, all set in cobble streets lit by gas lamps. The 19th century Donji Grad, Lower Town, which contains shops, restaurants, cafes, theaters and parks, and the modern post-World War Grad, Upper Town. Zagreb is also known as the City of Museums, since it has more museums per square foot than any other city in the world. But it doesn't mean there is nothing else to do if you are not a history enthusiast. Sitting in one of the various cafes and watching the world go by is one of the many joys that the locals enjoy. In the evening you might sample a wonderful Croatian cuisine at one of the numerous restaurants before finishing the day at one of the pubs or clubs. Whatever you choose to do, you'll have a great time. Zagreb boasts about 30 beautiful parks with an area of more than 400,000 square meters. The Lenuzi Horse Show, also known as the Green Horse Show, is a network of 7 squares that enclose the downtown area with parks and green areas in the shape of the letter U. It is also essential to highlight Maksimir Park and forest with the zoo, green places such as Jarun Recreational Center, Bandik Lake and Sljeme, Medvenica Mountain's highest point. Zagreb has a variety of restaurants, inns and cafes. Zagreb restaurants are well known for their high-quality food, which mostly consists of Mediterranean and continental cuisines, but also includes foreign specialties. There are many European and non-European national restaurants. Excellent wines from Zagreb and other Croatian areas will round out a wonderful lunch. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it.